Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card using elements from the May 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I am using a greeting from the Something Fancy set. I'm using the Happy Birthday, and I've stamped it in Night of Navy on one of the Misty Moonlight banners. And I've created this. I did a different alternate and I didn't like it, so I've kept this piece. I used one of the Stylish Shapes circle dies, the largest one, to cut out a circle from the other card front, and I've mounted this piece from the kit on, and then I've added the leaves kind of in between the layers. So this will sit up on the front of the card, but for now we need to build the card, and I wanted to layer it up. So I've already run these through the machine. I used the deckled rectangle dies to cut these out, and hopefully in my head I've done the calculations correctly so that everything will layer up. So I'm just going to pull the dies off and then pull these apart. And if I've done it correctly, I'll be able to layer all of these pieces up onto the front of the card like this. And I don't know if I need to put the smallest one in, but I've used 2 pieces of paper to make all of these layers, and then this will go over the top. So I think I'm going to keep all of the layers in, but this one I'm going to adhere down flat. I've got a very vanilla card base. You could use your basic beige if you've got it. And it goes this way around because I want the lighter spots towards the bottom. So we're just going to layer that up just like that. And then we're going to add in the next layer, which is going to go like this. Okay, so just a thin line of adhesive all around the edge so that it does indeed stick down. And then we're just going to layer that up like that. And then we'll take our next layer and keep going around. Originally, I thought, well, if I layer this up and I cut the middle out, I can use it for another card, but I'm just going to keep layering and use it on this card. So then we go like this, drop that down. So we're still relatively flat there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this piece to this piece, and I'm just going to check for perfect. Okay. I wanted to make sure that where my dimensionals were on this from the other project, it would still work. So I'm going to dimensionalize this piece into the middle. So it'll be double dimensional because I'm going to pop up this piece too. And then we'll see what it looks like. Like that. And the nice thing is the different colors in the paper all kind of keep flowing together. Now this is going to be dimensionalized onto here like this, but I need to figure out where I'm going to put my greeting. I can put my greeting here, or I can pop it up there and then put this over top as well. So I'm almost thinking this without the greeting, quite frankly. When I do this, I'm not a fan of that. So I could just put this right over top in the middle like that. And then it is a completely neutral card. It could be a thank you, it could be a happy birthday, it could be anything. And the front of this is quite heavy, so doing it as a portrait card is the best. Like I say, this happy birthday, I think it's because it's too flat. Like this is all looks like it has texture, and then this is too flat. You could put it like this, I guess. Anyway, I'm not a fan. if you choose to make the card, you can do what you like. But that is another alternate card using elements from the May 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit.